So last time my friend he asked for buzz cuts. This time he wants to grow the top back. And what are he gonna do? He gonna do skin fade, high fade. But in this time I will leave some thickness here. I will leave you some thickness here. It will look more nice. So I will end the fade until maybe this way. I'm not gonna go very high with the fade this time. I'm gonna go high with the zero, but I will try to keep it like some bulky here. Okay? Watch me. I'll show you how you do it in the easiest way. So this time I'm gonna use the trimmer. I will start from this corner, actually. Drop always the fade a little bit back, will be more nicer. Now you're gonna use your shaver and you shave everything off. Don't go to the end of the line, but just leave it down. Now open the clipper to the end and just cut 1 centimeter from here. With this kind of fade, you have to know how you use the corner of the clipper. I'll show you how you use it. Just to remove this line between the 00 and the half. So you just use the corner. Now you put 1.5 level open and you hit only on this line. See, you flick the clipper always out. Now number 1 level open and just before the number 2. And also flick the clipper out. Now we put half level open and we hit only on this line. Flick the clipper out also. See, this fade we call it low gap fade. Still high fade, but low gap fade. Yeah, quite a bit of skills, but it's nice when we keep the thickness, the darkness here. Thanks so much.
First choice barber.